Good morning to everyone. So today is the topic for the real estate industry, because we are real estate guys, so always we make the video for the real estate industry. What is real estate, how to do work in real estate, how to get appreciation. So for my own opinion, the new building, if you go to willing to buy the studio in new building, it's 650 to 750, or some building 800k in JVC. Instead of that one you have to buy, you can go 2 or 3 year old building and you can get the 1 bedroom apartment 800, 750, 850, and that is the best option for that if you want to buy like 1 or 2 year old building. And if you go for more 4 or 5 year old building, you can get 750,000 for 1 bedroom, and you can go for studio around 400 to between 500. Then 1 bedroom we have around 575, 600. So that is a better option for that. If everyone have at least you can buy one property in Dubai. In case something happen, let's say the market, this type of things, which is nothing happen, but you can stay in the apartment. So at least you have your own one property. Each and every person, they have one property in Dubai. So tomorrow something is happen, so it's good for you and you don't have any issue. Let's say the job is a problem, so okay, you want to stay, you can stay in your apartment. You have to pay the service charges here. And some people, they don't have money, so Dubai, they are offering a lot of good option for the mortgage as well. So my own opinion, go for the mortgage. If you pay the mortgage, mean like you have to pay like half amount. Let's say if you are paying 60,000 rent, which is impossible in Dubai or JVC area, so you are paying a mortgage only 30,000 dirham. So this is cover your mortgage as well, and then it's mean you are paying the rental amount. So 30,000 is not big amount for that, everyone. And try to understand, you are paying only 20%, 25%, and then you are the owner of the property. 20% for the down payment, 6% extra you have to pay, 26%. So please, my honest advice, please get the property there, at least one property each and every person in Dubai. And if you want to know how to buy the property, you can contact with me. I will tell you how to buy the property if you have the down payment, and if you have less down payment, then we have the solution as well. So my own opinion, always I'm giving the advice how you can be the owner, because today if you buy one property, tomorrow you know how you can buy second properties here. Rental is there, a lot of things is here. So you can just, thank you very much for watching your video, and thank you very much for the followers who is coming to us. I love you guys, like more than 15 days more, 200 like followers coming to my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for appreciation for that. Yeah, let's keep in touch and stay tuned, and please watch my more videos for the more amazing news for that one. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.